Hello Roblox lovers, this video I'll show you how to see Roblox password. First open Roblox, then click on three dot or more, scroll down and go to settings, then click on accounts info. Click on password. Oops, there have no option to see password. Then go to Google. Click on manage your Google account. Click on password manager. Then scroll down and tap on Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.